Yayasu Kayane Haskena in the Kabihan. Hey Donna, I'm here finally with the video you've been requesting for. I know you've been asking for a very beginner friendly makeup tutorial. You want me to go step by step how to do makeup, and I wanted to just create this video for you and get it out of the way. I know you've been asking every time I come to work, you're like, where is the makeup tutorial? I need to know, you gotta show me. So I'm here, I got you. I don't have eyebrow pencil, I have a little bit that's left. I just found this in my old makeup kit right now, but I want you to go to the beauty store and get a nice makeup pencil, like an eyebrow pencil. It's only $1 or $2, right? And it's very long. Get it in dark brown. Don't get it in black, don't get it in brown, don't, just dark a dark brown. Let's start it with just a natural black color, and then when we advance into our makeup skill, we can like elaborate on any other thing, okay? But I want you to get that, and I want you to get a primer. This is very essential to the makeup, okay? Get you a nice primer. This is a beauty supply store primer. This is from Ocho. It's very affordable, like $7. You want to get this primer right here. This is one of my favorite beginner primer because it's not even beginner. I have this in my makeup kit. I use this all the time and it just work for me. So I would recommend this for you. And if all these products I'm listing you don't know how to find them, in my description bar I have a beginner friendly list of products. Just click on that link, it will take you to another link, and all of the things I use is listed on that link as well. It's literally in the description box. You can just click on it, it will show you all of the products I'm using today. But yeah, go ahead and get a primer, color corrector. Next we're gonna go in with a foundation. I like to use 2 foundations to get full coverage, but if you just have 1 foundation that do the job, that's perfect. Blush that we're going to be using in today's tutorial. Very affordable, and don't be afraid, apply the brush, like use the blush, just blend that out. So I like 2 concealer that I like to use for myself. And the first one is Born This Way right here, and then like the second one is a Thai concealer, this one right here. So for the Born This Way concealer, I like to go in with my exact complexion. So you need 2 shades. Though this one right here that go exactly with your complexion, and you just put a little bit at the outer part of your lid. Contour next. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty contour stick. This will work for me so well. But these are places I'm gonna just contour. Over here, my eyelid, over here to just give my eye that lift. Here. Okay, I want that lift. And then you don't want to drag it down. You want to make sure this is upward. Okay? Because the way you contour, that's how your face is going to be lifted up. You just want to go in with a pressed powder. Is this right here. If you have the Mercier setting powder, that's perfect. But this one or the Mercier go with everything. So if you have the Mercier setting powder, use that. But I'm gonna be going with the one side, and then for the inner part, we'll be going in with this powder. I don't recommend this. I got this from TikTok, and honestly, the hype was not worth it. So I just put this in a little toppy thing, you know, like, and I just press it into the powder. Press it on the back of my hand and literally just apply it. I'm just gonna like that setting. Just set that out and just let it sit there for a while. Under the cheekbone right here, just make sure you give ourselves that sharper cheekbone. You want your cheekbone to stand out, this is what you do. Just cut it with this powder. Alright, now we're gonna do our eyebrow. You're probably like, what are you doing? That's it. Literally, this is all we're doing for the eye shadow. We're not doing nothing crazy. We want to give the effect that you're wearing a shadow, but not really wearing a shadow. If you want, you can just stop at the mascara, but I'm gonna do my lash because I like need some lashes. They'll glue like this. And you just look down and set this over your eye. So easy. And just play with it until you get the way you need to be. What do you think? This is the end of our one-on-one class together. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, don't forget to let me know, okay? Even in person or on here, I appreciate it. The next video is gonna be work makeup. I'm gonna be showing you how to do a simple everyday work makeup, so stay tuned for that. That will be coming up very soon. Bye.